The last journey is often the one we remember most vividly. For NASA's Space Shuttle program, that journey was STS-135. This wasn't just another mission to space, it was a farewell. After 30 years, the shuttle program was coming to an end. Imagine the weight of history on the shoulders of those astronauts, knowing they were closing a chapter in human space exploration. The Space Shuttle Atlantis stood ready. It was a majestic machine, a testament to human ingenuity. Atlantis would be the last shuttle to grace the heavens, carrying with it the dreams of a nation and the legacy of countless scientists, engineers, and astronauts. The year was 2011. The world watched, a mixture of excitement and melancholy filling the air. The countdown echoed, each second a tick of the clock on a magnificent era. The roar of the engines, the tremble of the ground, the fiery ascent. These were all familiar sights and sounds. But this time, they held a different weight, a poignant reminder that the era of the space shuttle was drawing to a close. Space exploration is not for the faint of heart. It is a dangerous endeavor, fraught with risks and challenges. NASA knew this all too well. The tragic loss of Space Shuttle Columbia in 2003 served as a stark reminder of the inherent dangers of space travel. The Columbia disaster shook NASA to its core. It led to a thorough review of safety protocols and a renewed focus on crew safety. The entire space program was put on hold. The future seemed uncertain. But even as NASA grappled with the aftermath of Columbia, another challenge loomed: budget constraints. The space program, for all its wonders, was expensive. The decision to retire the Space Shuttle program was driven in part by these financial realities. It was a difficult decision, but one that NASA ultimately believed was necessary for the long-term future of space exploration. Leading the mission was Commander Christopher Ferguson, a veteran astronaut with multiple shuttle flights under his belt. Joining him was pilot Douglas Hurley, mission specialists Sandra Magnus and Rex Walheim. Together, these four astronauts represented the best of NASA. Their mission was twofold. First, they were to deliver vital supplies to the International Space Station. This included the Raffaello multi-purpose logistics module, packed with food, equipment, and spare parts. Second, they were to return a faulty ammonia pump to Earth for analysis. This pump was crucial for the ISS's cooling system. The crew trained for months, meticulously going over every detail of the mission. They knew the world was watching. They were determined to make this final flight a success. Section 4. The world holds its breath. Launch and landing, July 8, 2011. The day had finally arrived. Millions around the world held their breath as Atlantis, bathed in the morning sun, roared off the launch pad. The launch was flawless, a testament to the skill of the launch team and the years of engineering that went into the Space Shuttle program. As Atlantis disappeared into the sky, it carried with it the hopes and dreams of a generation. 12 days later, after a successful mission, Atlantis returned to Earth, touching down on the runway at Kennedy Space Center. The sight of the shuttle, its nose pointed proudly skyward, brought tears to many eyes. It was a bittersweet moment. A chapter had closed, but a new one was about to begin. Section 5. A legacy forged in stars. The Space Shuttle program may be over, but its legacy lives on. The program helped us build the International Space Station, a marvel of engineering and a symbol of international cooperation. It launched telescopes like Hubble, which have revolutionized our understanding of the universe. And it inspired generations of students to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. As we look to the future of space exploration, we do so with the lessons learned from the Space Shuttle program. We remember the sacrifices made, the challenges overcome, and the triumphs celebrated. We remember the spirit of exploration that drove us to reach for the stars. And we carry that spirit with us as we venture further into the cosmos, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and daring to dream of a future among the stars.